Hi there. So if you're wondering how you can use Midjourney bot, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Midjourney bot on Discord. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So firstly, open your Discord. Then after that, just simply come to any of the panel over here. And I'm pretty sure if you're using Midjourney, you would have probably already added Midjourney bot in your Discord. So if you don't know how to do that, I've already made a video on how to add Midjourney on your Discord. So if you want to know that, just simply go ahead and check that video out. Now, in order to use this, what you have to do is just simply give your prompt over here, which is \imagine. Then just simply enter a prompt. Then you can just simply give the prompt over here, \imagine, and whatever you want. So as you can see, I've written a prompt over here. Read it if you want to. So after writing a prompt, make sure to be very specific what you want. Then hit add. And as you can see over here, Midjourney has started creating our image. So it might take some time if it's a very specific thing. So just simply wait for it. Now, after the Midjourney has created your image, it will be found at the very bottom, as you can see over here. So if you click on the images, you will be able to see it's pretty damn good. So now you can do a lot of things. You can upscale a singular version, or you can create variants of one singular version. Like, let's say I want to make variants of this particular image. So I will just click on variant 1. Now as you can see, it has started over here. As you can see, it has started creating our variants of that particular image. So again, wait for a few seconds. Now after it is created, you will find that at the very bottom, as you can see over here. Now if you want to upscale an image, what you can do is just simply click on the image that you want to upscale. Let's say I want to upscale the third one. So just simply click on U3. That will upscale your image. So again, wait for it. And as you can see, our upscale has been done. Now if you want to download it, you can just simply right click, save image, then save to a location and save it. You can also make more variants of that particular image, or you can even upscale this image more. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.